AVR X6200W. Make way for the extremely powerful and versatile Denon AVR X6200W for a tremendous 3D experience. This absolutely staggering amplifier is mounted with the highest resolution audio decoders and a sophisticated power amplifier section for optimum sound quality on all channels. Feel every dimension in Dolby Atmos. It transports you from an ordinary moment into an extraordinary experience. Captivating three-dimensional sound from literally any direction, even overhead. Get submerged in every scene. Create the ultimate experience in cinema sound with the DTS:X new object-based audio format. Additionally, the AVR X6200W is ready to run Auro 3D. Its massive 9.2 channel surround sound capability with 11.2 channel processing and 13.2 pre-out includes advanced configuration options. For example, it can deliver a separate AV source to a second room in your home, and optionally even a third signal, all audio to a third zone. You can control your AVR via our Denon remote app, which is available in both iOS and Android versions, and also for the Kindle Fire. The AVR X6200W not only allows you to play your music from any Bluetooth device, it has also been specifically designed to easily connect with your home Wi-Fi network, letting you enjoy internet radio, high-resolution audio files, as well as subscription streaming services such as Spotify. Connect to your PC or Mac via AirPlay, DLNA 1.5, or make use of its Windows 8 compatibility. With 8 HDMI inputs, including one on the front panel, and triple HDMI outputs, the AVR X6200W provides top-class connectivity options. Featuring the latest HDMI specification, this AVR includes full-rate 60Hz 4K Ultra HD capabilities, along with the ability to upscale content to 4K Ultra HD. Also, all HDMI inputs and outputs support the latest HDCP 2.2 protocol for the transmission of copy-protected 4K video. With Quick Select, you can choose your favorite sources via a single button, and the specific audio settings will be recalled. It's incredibly quick and easy to get your home entertainment system up and running. Our exclusive setup assistant makes it a breeze. Odyssey's most accurate room acoustic measurement system, MultiQ XT32, uses over 10,000 control points in your room to match your speakers to perfection. Measuring microphone, Odyssey Sub-EQ HT and LFC low-frequency containment technology included. All of this is achieved with remarkably low energy consumption, thanks to the advanced Eco mode. Wow, the Denon AVR X6200W is truly tremendous. Feel every dimension in Dolby Atmos. Encounter captivating 3D sound with DTS:X and Auro 3D. Experience 9 discrete high-power, high-current-capable power amp channels. Advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless functionality. 8 HDMI inputs and triple HDMI outputs, supporting the HDCP 2.2 protocol, and 4K Ultra HD full-rate 60Hz pass-through and scaling. Experience blockbusting 3D sound with the AVR X6200W. Brought to you by Denon.
Sony's DH790 comes with a completely reworked chassis, which is a lot more compact and rigid. Not only is it more space efficient, but because of its smaller size, it's also more resistant to sound pressure. This new design means that there is less interference of vibrations, maintaining a much higher sound quality. Receivers have traditionally supplied you with two-dimensional audio. The DH790 adds Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support for not just surround sound, but also from above. The DH790 has 4 HDMI inputs and 1 output, all supporting 4K HDR pass-through, including Dolby Vision support. Setup of the DH790 is incredibly easy as well, with the on-screen user interface, as well as the easy-to-use speaker terminals on the back. You can also configure these settings on the fly with your smartphone or tablet, be it Android or iOS, using the Music Center application.
First look at the THX-RZ720, the first THX-Certified AV receiver in our lineup. So, what does THX certification actually mean? Well, I'm going to go over a few of the basics for you right now. Now the THX-RZ720 has been given the THX Select certification, which means it's been designed to run up to 2000 cubic feet, which is 56.6 cubic meters. Another major part of the THX certification is the post-processing. Now in here we have re-equalization, timbre or timbre matching, boundary gain compensation, and THX Loudness Plus. These can only be found in THX certified products, and they help you get to what the director intended you to hear in your home cinema. You can also see on the back of the 720 it's fitted for wireless networking, either 5 or 2.4 gig. On the front panel of the 720 we have the setup mic, an auxiliary audio analog input, and an HDMI input for mobile accessories or a temporary connection. The rest of the front panel has all the normal connections, input buttons, tone controls and listening modes, along with a pure audio and a power on off. Now to start us off on the back of the receiver, there's a fixed hardwired Ethernet connection which gives you access to all of the network streaming facilities available within the AVR, and there's also a USB port if you want to connect a phone or a hard drive directly to it. There's 6 HDMI ins on the back and 2 main outs. One can be selected as a sub or a zone 2 for multi-room video. All of the HDMI connections support up to 4K with HDR and Ultra HD, so there's absolutely no problem passing the absolute finest video signal through the AVR. As you would expect, we've got some legacy connections which will allow you to connect your analog video and audio. These are all assignable except for the phono input. There's also 3 digital inputs, 2 optical and 1 coaxial, and we can't forget the built-in AM/FM tuner. Inside the THX-RZ720 there's 175 watts per channel across all 7 channels. This means you have many options from Dolby Atmos, DTS-X through to standard 5.1 with an active zone 2. And then lastly we've actually increased the facility on how you control the AV receiver. Now not only can you do IP control, you can do RS-232 and direct IR, and there's also a 12 volt trigger which can be assignable to the main zone. And that just about covers the video on the first look at the THX-RZ720. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Yamaha continues to lead the industry with innovative designs that offer great value, build quality, and unprecedented reliability. Meet the RX-V381 AV receiver and enjoy clean, discrete power amplification in a 5.1 channel home theater system with Bluetooth audio connectivity and 4K Ultra HD video that supports all the latest specifications. Hear surround sound like never before with the help of advanced surround sound processing technologies such as Virtual Cinema Front that conveniently allows the theater to have all of the speakers in the front of the listening area. Enhance deep bass output by engaging the extra bass setting if smaller satellite speakers are used, and then fine-tune dialogue levels during playback with the dialogue level adjustment setting. All of these powerful sound technologies are maximized by the Yamaha Parametric Acoustic Optimizer automatic room calibration system. Simply plug in the provided microphone, place it directly in the middle of the seating area, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. Whether listening to music from your smartphone or tablet with Bluetooth, or watching your favorite blockbuster hit movie in stunning 4K Ultra HD, the Yamaha RX-V381 truly has what it takes to be a robust foundation for your home theater system for many years to come.
The Elite VSX90 receiver is an audio-video multi-room marvel. At 100 watts per 7 channels, the receiver has the power to get the most out of your home theater speaker system. Besides providing excellent audio and video reproduction for home theater, the VSX90 also has the capability to provide other rooms in the house with entertainment. Advanced features like built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, HDCP 2.2 copyright protection, Dolby Atmos, MCACC Pro calibration, and high-resolution audio playback. The VSX90 offers complete connectivity, simple setup solutions, and new dimensions to realism for your home theater. This year we built in both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. With a dual antenna setup on the rear panel, the VSX90 becomes the ultimate wireless control center for your home entertainment system. Two antennas provide maximum signal strength, and supporting both bands means higher throughput and greater Wi-Fi range. Setting up your receiver with Wi-Fi is simplified with the Startup Navi app. Simply download it to your smartphone. Open the app and follow the simple instructions, and the Wi-Fi settings and password will be copied from your phone to the receiver. Using the same app, connect to the built-in AV Navigator and start exploring your new receiver from the palm of your hand. Once done, it will lead you through the MCACC setup, and you're done, ready to enjoy your new system. The VSX90 delivers full bandwidth HDMI 2.0 Ultra HD pass-through with HDCP 2.2, ensuring compatibility with current and upcoming 4K Ultra HD sources and televisions. The VSX90 is no slouch in the video department either. With 7 HDMI inputs and 2 discrete outputs, the Elite VSX90 is set up to handle the latest in Ultra HD 4K video as well, with the ability to scale 1080p content to 4K resolution. The VSX90 is also Dolby Atmos ready. Dolby Atmos is a revolution in surround sound technology. For the first time, we have the ability to play sound anywhere in a room, even above you. The VSX90 is a 7-channel receiver, so you can set up either 5.1.2 or 5.2.2 Atmos speaker systems. While soundtracks encoded in Dolby Atmos will provide the best experience, Dolby also recognizes that not all content has Atmos. Dolby Surround will take all the TV shows and movies you watch and create a near Atmos experience utilizing all the speakers in your system. MCACC Pro automatically, built into the receiver, recognizes your Dolby Atmos enabled system, calibrating the overhead speaker effects as well as your room layout, giving your home theater a complete sound experience. The ESS Sabre 24 digital to analog converter makes sure all of your high-resolution audio files and Blu-ray soundtracks stay pristine. The Elite VSX90 delivers the high-resolution music playback audio files demand, with support for 192.24 AIFF, multi-channel wave, FLAC, and Apple lossless up to 96.24. Compressed formats such as MP3, WMA, and AAC are also supported. Pioneer's advanced sound retriever makes sure all of your compressed audio files sound better than ever before. It looks at the incoming bit rate and determines how much processing needs to be added, ensuring the absolute best audio reproduction for all of those streaming junkies out there. Besides providing excellent audio and video for your home theater, the VSX90 can also send content to 2 other zones. Zone 2 is a second audio zone. You can send any analog audio or digital content from the network, such as AirPlay or internet radio, to another room. HD Zone is for sending audio and video to another room. This allows you to watch a Blu-ray movie in one room while watching TV in another, all from one stack of gear. HD Zone not only handles content from any HDMI source, but can also be used for audio from the network as well. Simplified setup is only one part of the user experience. Day-to-day use must also be easy for everyone in the family. The remote that comes with the VSX90 will control the entire system, or you can download Pioneer's iControl AV5 for an easier way to control the receiver. And since this is an Elite receiver, we have included RS-232 and IP control as well. This means a custom remote control system can be programmed. Our custom control partners are Control4, Crestron, RTI, Universal, Savant, and AMX. The right control system can make even the most elaborate system easy for anyone in the family to use. Superb audio and video reproduction, multiple zones, simplified setup, and control for a variety of remote systems all combine to make the Elite VSX90 from Pioneer the perfect choice when looking for a receiver suited for a wide variety of custom install solutions.